The weekend, guys. Hi. I am the Afro Girl, and welcome to MX Breaks, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment, in the world of lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. Now, let's start off with our very first story. Ghanaian rapper UG has made a life-changing decision by publicly announcing his departure from the mainstream world. The artist, famous for his 2016 hit song Dance For Me, has chosen to embrace a spiritual calling and embark on a new path. Sharing a video on his Instagram page, he put out a statement in his caption expressing his desire to separate himself from the distractions and temptations of the world. We have his caption, so let's read it. He says, "If someone asked me at the beginning of 2023 what my year would look like, I don't think this is what I would have asked. That's how powerful the Lord is. When Jesus calls you, there's nothing you can do about it. You must heed and answer. I've always said that I know God loves me, but I've also always tried to maneuver using my own might and strength. And let's be honest, I wasn't living righteously. But there comes a point when you realize that you must submit to the Almighty Father and allow His will to be done. I'm not perfect, neither am I better than anyone else, but by God's grace, I vow to move forward purposefully and with a clean heart. I got baptized last Sunday, and I was blessed enough to have my dad, Pastor Joe, that's in the white shirt, and Uncle Pastor Joshua Gray in the gray t-shirt. Usher me into this new life. I give God all the praise, looking forward to what the future holds. Love always, UG." I mean, so he's also started to doing some godly music, and so he's chosen to release a new song called Chosen, and it will be out on Monday. We love a good story. We love a good Jesus story. Moving on, Hadja For Real has reportedly been denied bail in the United States by the U.S. Department of Justice. According to media journalist Kofi Adoma, the court documents presented by the United States Attorney Damian Williams of the Southern District of New York indicated that the socialite failed to meet the bail standards set by the U.S. She had requested the court to relax her bail conditions and allow her to return to New York. She sought permission to move around certain parts of her community while being placed under house arrest. However, the court stated that they would only consider relaxing her bail if she had family ties in the U.S. Additionally, the court emphasized the weight of the evidence against her, stating that granting her bail would pose a risk under Section 3142G of the U.S. justice system, as there was a chance that she would escape. I don't want to talk much about this one. Let's move on to the next story. Darius Jackson, the partner of Keke Palmer, has sparked controversy after he called out the mother of his child over a transparent outfit she wore to the Ashes concert, and that's what you see on the screen. In a video circulating on social media, Asha has been captured serenading the actress, who happily sang along and danced to the performance by the singer. Jackson quote tweeted the video with the caption, "It's the outfit though, you a mom." After receiving backlash for that comment, he posted a follow-up tweet which said, "We live in a generation where a man of the family doesn't want the wife and mother to his kids to showcase booty cheeks to please others, and he gets told how much of a hater he is." Jackson wrote in a follow-up tweet, "This is my family and my representation. I have standards and morals to what I believe. I rest my case." Keke Palmer is yet to publicly comment on the debate or respond to Jackson's tweets, but my own is, he's not wrong. He's not wrong about having an opinion. I just don't think that, I don't think she should have, I also don't think she should have worn what she wore. But the thing is, the person you have a problem with is Keke. The person you should be having this conversation with is Keke. Man, I don't know why you have to bring such a conversation to the timeline, because right now you've given us 2 to 3 days worth of content to talk about on media everywhere, because all you had to do was to pick up the phone and call this woman you call your baby mama and tell her that, you know what, please just let's not do this, please don't wear this. And if you still have a problem with that, then you pick it up from there. But that you are telling us right now, you see what's happening on social media. He has had to even delete his Twitter account. See? Moving on, guys. I mean, let's come back to Ghana. Black Girl has released a video for Oh Paradise. The official video is out. It's amazing. It's a beautiful video. It's sad. It's a bit triggering though, so if you watch it, just have that at the back of your mind that it's a bit triggering. It's about death, it's about love, it's everything to me. And we see Blacko, expressing his emotions, and it's because he's been through it. He's actually been through it, so we know that it's coming from a genuine place. Again, shout outs to his team, because hey, we see them give us back-to-back beautiful videos. Well done, Blacko. We love this one. So guys, go to YouTube and run it up. You know what to do. YouTube, Black Sherif, Oh Paradise. But that's it for MX Breaks with me, the Afro Girl. You know what to do. Everything entertainment. We've got you. So follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.